Well, I didn't go kayaking. I working around the yard. It's pretty windy. My radishes this year, and a little blueberry bush coming up. But I ran out of dirt from my tomato boxes. I got to get either not do the boxes or get some more dirt. But I got the where the pine tree that I took down, I got that graded with some dirt. That's what I used most of the dirt on. Got it seeded. Got my trailer over there by the shed this year. I had it on the grass. It killed all the grass. So I seeded that. We need a rain actually. This is where I had it sitting last year, but I got it on where the firewood was at. But the sun comes out, it's pretty nice. Probably would have been alright kayaking, but I decided to work around the yard. And I've got my trail down through the woods. I'm going to try to keep it maintained. Got a little ginny wren in this, my grandpa's old birdhouse there. But got the trail. I'm going to try to keep it maintained. But it goes down and around and through the woods, down on the edge of the cliff down to the river. But yeah, sun's out, it's not too bad. So all right, get back to work here.